Hello everyone, and thank you so much for clicking on my very first devlog video. My name is Riccardo and I have just graduated and finally have some time off to focus on the side project that I've been wanting to work on for such a long time, and that is game development. Last week I started working on a new project and I thought that it would be a great idea to start some devlog videos so that I can show you guys what I'm working on, and also for me so that I can stay accountable. In this very first video, I've decided to show you my work environment, what I use during my game development sessions. I'm also going to work a little bit on my games, and I'm going to show you guys what I come up with today. So as you can see here, this is my work environment. I don't have a separate studio, so I usually work here in the kitchen or on the sofa or on the floor, actually. So I use a pretty cheap Acer laptop that I got a couple of years ago. I plan on getting a better computer now that I've decided to start game developing. I use this Wacom tablet that I got for pretty cheap, and I also have a couple of journals. So I have this small journal here that I use to jot down all sort of ideas, and I always have it with me in my backpack, just if, you know, I come up with some ideas. I also try to jot down some stuff. I'm also using the separate journal to do some note-taking. So as you can see here, I did some note-taking on the game asset creation process. And yeah, whenever I go through a class on YouTube or Udemy or online in general, I jot down some notes so that I actually learn better from the courses. So I just got home after work and I'm gonna start by watching a YouTube tutorial. I found this great YouTube channel if you are working with Godot engine. The name is Game Endeavor and I love his YouTube videos. Today I'm learning about projectiles, and in my small 2D platformers, I love my little guy to be able to shoot some sort of like energy projectiles. I'm still working on it. So I first start by following the tutorial so that I have a nice little code, and then I modify it according to my own needs. So as you'll see in a moment, my code will not work over and over and over, but eventually at some point I'm able to actually do something. My game actually does something, and my little guy now is kind of able to shoot these energy projectiles. I love to implement a way to aim better. Right now, the code, what it does, or what it should do, is that it calculates the direction according to where the mouse is, but it's not really working right now, but that's alright. After an hour, I want to say, I decided to take a break and to cook a little bit. So I start by cutting all the vegetables, preparing some pasta, because I'm Italian after all. I eat pasta all the time, every day, like who doesn't? And while I wait for the pasta to be ready, I play some Cuphead. I actually got the game yesterday, and this game is freaking hard, but I am enjoying it a lot, and as you'll see, I'm actually able to beat this boss. Yes! So I was pretty proud of myself, and after that, I just got this delicious pasta, and yeah, I didn't do much. After that, I just organized a little bit the next tasks on Trello, and then I called it a day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And yeah, I had fun filming this very first devlog, and I hope that you guys had fun watching it too. Okay, see you, bye.